In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Confluence version history diffs. Start by opening Confluence in your browser and logging in with your account credentials. Once you are signed in, you will land on your main dashboard, which is where every page and space is organized. Look at the top navigation bar and click the Create button. A small menu will appear with different content options. From that menu, select Page, which will open a fresh blank editor where you can begin building the first version of your demo page. Now you are going to publish the first version. Click on the page title field at the very top of the editor so your cursor is active inside it. In that field, type the title, Version History Diff Demo, making sure the wording matches exactly so you can find it later. Next, click anywhere inside the page body to move your cursor into the main content area. Type the following lines slowly and carefully. Policy Update Checklist, then a dash, Deadline June 15, then another dash, Status Draft. Take your time entering this so each part of the sentence appears cleanly on the page. Once your text is in place, click the Publish button on the bottom right of the editor. If Confluence prompts you with a confirmation pop-up, go ahead and confirm Publish, so the page is officially saved as version 1. Now you are going to create the second version of the same page. From the Published view, click the Edit button to reopen the editor. Move your mouse to the very end of the existing page body text and click there so your cursor sits at the end of the line. Press the Enter key once to drop down to a new line. On this new line, type the following content: Reviewer Mira Patel, then a dash, Approval Note, Legal Review Required Before Launch. Enter this text carefully so every word lands in the correct spot for the comparison later. After your second line of content is added, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Update button. If Confluence asks you to confirm the update, click Confirm so the new version is saved alongside the first one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now it is time to open the version history. First, make sure you are back in View mode rather than Edit mode. Click the More Actions menu, shown as 3 dots, in the top right of the page. From the drop-down, click Version History, which may also be labeled Page History depending on your Confluence setup. The history view should now show at least 2 saved versions of the page you just edited. If you only see an option called View Changes instead of the full history, that means we're still in edit mode. Click Update or Close first, then open the 3 dots menu again to access the proper history view. Now you can compare the versions. Select the checkbox beside the first and oldest version of the page. Then select the checkbox beside the newest version at the top of the list. Once both boxes are checked, click the Compare Selected Versions button. If a row menu opens, click Compare inside it to launch the comparison. If you do not see checkboxes at all, use the alternate method. Click the More Actions menu beside one version row, then click Compare from the options. Confluence will then ask you to select the other version, so click on it. Finally, click the Compare Versions button to load the diff. Now confirm the diff is showing properly. If there is a Highlight Changes toggle at the top of the comparison page, turn it on so additions and edits become visually clear. Scroll slowly through the comparison page from top to bottom. Confirm that the added reviewer and approval note text are highlighted as new content between the 2 saved versions. You should now see a complete Confluence comparison view for version history diff demo, with the reviewer and approval text marked as changes between the 2 selected versions. Congratulations, you have successfully compared version history diffs in Confluence.